The 2026 Ford Maverick XL is a versatile and efficient choice for those who need the utility of a truck with the drivability of a compact vehicle. This model features a 2.5-liter hybrid engine paired with a smooth, power-split electric CVT and a front-wheel drive system. Dressed in a clean Oxford white exterior, this Maverick stands out with its bold black mesh grille and functional LED headlamps. Inside, you will find a modern cabin equipped with a massive 13.2-inch LCD touchscreen and an 8-inch productivity screen to keep all your information front and center. Book a test drive today at MSA Ford in the Fraser Valley Auto Mall, right here in Abbotsford. Imagine taking a weekend drive down to Mill Lake Park, knowing your Maverick is built for both efficiency and capability. The exterior is designed for durability, featuring black door handles, manual black mirrors, and daytime running lights. The bed is ready for any task with a factory-installed spray-in Bedliner and integrated bed tie-downs to secure your gear. For added convenience, the tailgate is removable and comes with a lock, while the Easy Fuel capless filler makes every stop at the pump quick and clean. You also get the added security of auto high beams and auto lamp headlamps that turn on and off automatically based on lighting conditions. Step inside the black onyx and dark slate interior to discover a cabin designed for maximum utility. The cloth bench rear seat includes a clever flip-up function, revealing dedicated under-seat storage to keep your tools or valuables out of sight. Comfort is handled by manual air conditioning and a tilt and telescoping steering wheel, while the rotary gear shift dial frees up space in the center console. Technology is well integrated with an AM/FM stereo and 6-speaker system, along with both USB-A and USB-C ports to keep your devices charged. This Maverick also includes power locks and windows with a one-touch down feature for the driver. A common question buyers ask is, what kind of interior storage and organization does the Maverick XL offer? Beyond the standard glove box, this truck includes an ActiveX soft console lid for small items and the previously mentioned under-seat storage in the second row, making it easy to organize your daily essentials. Safety is a top priority, and this Maverick comes equipped with pre-collision assist with automatic emergency braking, a rear-view camera, and the safety canopy airbag system. You also have peace of mind with the SecureLock anti-theft system and a tire pressure monitoring system. With selectable drive modes and electric power assist steering, the Maverick XL provides a confident driving experience on every road. This truck is also equipped with floor liners and a conventional spare tire for added preparedness. MSA Ford, serving the Fraser Valley for 75 years.